my name is Mr. Bill. I'm here for my important meeting. Oh no, I forgot my document. Oh no, even worse, it's a HIPAA compliant document, so I can't print it just anywhere. Oh, what do I do?
Well, Bill, this is a common problem. And if you had just simply used HP Rome as your print device when you started, you wouldn't have any problems. HP Rome is a simple universal printing experience that allows you to simply and securely print your documents pretty much anywhere. It's very simple to use. So when you go to print your job, to do your print job and submit it, you can do that from any PC or mobile device. Just select HP Rome as your destination. The job uploads to your personal print queue in the HP Rome cloud. Then, when your mobile device is close to any enabled HP printer and there's a print job in your personal queue, you're automatically notified, and you can safely, simply, and securely authenticate on your device at the printer and release any and all jobs, and they'll come out while you're standing there. No worries with HIPAA or anything else. And Bill, by the way, you need to learn how to talk better and be better prepared.